Hello, in this video, I will explain how you can use Microsoft Office Word, PowerPoint, Excel for free. So let's start with this. So what you have to do is just type office.com in the browser that you normally use. For now, I am using Google Chrome. You can use any browser. Just type office.com and press enter. I think there's something wrong with my internet. Okay, let me refresh this. Yeah, so here we are. Okay. So now what you have to do is if you already have an account, you can just type the email or phone number. And if not, then you can just click on create an account and create one account for of Microsoft. So yeah, so I'll be typing my email ID because I already have this account. Okay. Okay, this is a login process. Okay, so we are logged in into the office.com. Now, so here we are seeing on the right, on the left hand side, there is a panel. So this is the one. And here you can see we have this Word, right? We have this Excel, we have this PowerPoint. So we have all these three applications. These are the ones which are mostly used. So we have OneNote as well. So now if I go on the PowerPoint one, so if just you can click on create a presentation, and here you have the Microsoft PowerPoint open for you. You can do the same thing that you do on the application, and this is completely free. You will not be charged for this. They're not going to stop you from using this. So yeah, and similarly we have this Excel, so you can create a blank workbook, and you can see the interface is exactly the same, and you also get all the options here. So yeah, you can use it, and this is completely free, and similarly for Word as well. So yeah, this is all we have. So you can use this for free. I mean, you do not need to install anything. All you need is an account in the Microsoft, and then you are good to go. Also, in the next video, I will explain about an application which is the alternative of this, and that you can use in the desktop.